Welcome to the Legacy of Faith online application tool. This platform simplifies the grant process by allowing parish teams to collaborate, apply for funding, and track applications all in one place. As pastor, you can review and approve applications directly in the tool. No separate letter needed. An important reminder of these grants is that these grants are separate from your automatic elementary education funds and cannot be used for school programs. Use them exclusively for parish catechetical, youth, and Hispanic ministries. So let's get started. Log in using your credentials. If this is your first visit, enter the email address that received the invitation and select Forgot Your Password to create your login. Bookmark the site and save your login information for future access. Once logged in, you can switch between two views. Applicant view, to monitor your team's drafts in progress. In some cases, the pastor may complete applications on behalf of the parish. When this occurs, the pastor approval stage will not be assigned. The application will only be evaluated for proper format before being forwarded to the grant committee. Next is Evaluator View, to view and approve completed applications from your team. If you are the pastor for more than one parish, you can also easily switch between parishes by selecting your name in the upper right-hand corner. Your evaluator dashboard displays applications by status, pending approval, and completed. All applications, including pastor approvals, must be completed by the application deadline. Applications in your queue have been verified for correct attachments and formatting. You're responsible for evaluating the overall need and appropriate fit before forwarding requests to the grant committee. To begin, select Start on the right-hand side. The right side displays all application details submitted by your team. Pay close attention to goals and intended outcomes to ensure alignment with your parish mission. Remember, all awarded funds must be spent or committed within the calendar year. After reviewing, use the left-hand side to either approve or return to applicant. Approved applications advance to the grant committee for final evaluation following the submission deadline. Returned applications go back to the applicant for revisions. Provide feedback directly in the tool, but also consider speaking directly with your team. Revisions must also be completed by the submission deadline. Repeat these steps for each application in your pending queue. You can return at any time prior to the submission deadline to modify an approval. Simply click Complete to view your approved applications. Navigate to the application you'd like to update and select Update. We look forward to reviewing your submissions and supporting your parish ministries through the Legacy of Faith Endowment Grant Program.